Yeah! Yeah! Ah! What? Ah! Not bad! Just what I wanted to hear! That's smart! What in the... My guard was down! Huh! You're stronger than I expected! What the... Ha! Gotcha! What's wrong? Denied! Not what I was thinking! I actually kind of felt that one! Yeah! What? Huh? Hup! Tia! Ta! How about this? Tia! Soya! Ha! I've got something for you! Take this! Time to show you a thing or two! It's useless! Keep trying! There you go! I'm not gonna hold anything back! Ra-da-da-da! Oh, that's too bad! Want some more? You're wide open! Get out of here! It's about time I saw some effort! I'm not gonna hold anything back! That all you got? I'm over here! Pathetic! Don't be so sure! Get serious already! I summon you, Shenron! Grant me my wish! So, will both of us become immortal? I would like to be healed, so do that! Quick, bring back my ally! Ah! Yeah! Down you go! Da-da-da-da! Here goes! Sorry, but you were wide open. This isn't much fun at all. Kamehame! Ha! How about this? Shields up! I can do this too, you know! Take this! Come on! Make me break a sweat at least! Ah! Are you saying that this is your best? Yeah! You're finished! You can't keep up with me! Just look at my speed! It's the biggie! Final Kamehameha! Go to hell! All right, let's settle this. Come on, make me get serious here. Yeah! Guess I'll be finishing this. What's wrong? You got quiet. All right, now my body should be warmed up. Come on! Your turn! I'll show you my full power! Let's switch out! My turn, huh? That was close! Thanks, I needed that! It's over! All right! I am the fusion between Vegeta and Kakarot! Vegito! And this is Vegito Blue! Sorry, but you were wide open. What's wrong? Is that all you can do? Come on, make me get serious here. Do what now? Want to keep going? Did you really think that move would work on me?